Hi, I'm Tiam and I'm a knit and crochet designer. Today I'm going to show you how to do the rib stitch. Let's grab some yarn and get started. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel and press the bell icon for notifications of future videos. Now we're going to do a rib stitch, which is a nice stretchy stitch. You can do any combination of knits and purls. Knit the first stitch as you normally would. Then take the yarn between the needles to the front of the work and purl the next stitch. Then take the yarn between the needles to the back of the work and knit the next stitch. Keep doing this till the end of the row. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. For more knitting inspiration, head over to hobbycraft.co.uk/ideas.